I may not be very good. I am a beginner, but I'm very passionate about the game. And that's the thing about pickleball. You can pick it up at any age. It's easy to play. It's fun to play. There is this sense of community. And it doesn't take very long to pick it up. And honestly, I've been playing for a few months and then I got serious with the coach. I hope he's here. Sunny? No? Okay. No, so... Is he here? No, but please say I mentioned him. What I learned with Sunny in the last 3 sessions I've done with him, I hadn't learned in 6 months. So he is absolutely fantastic and he's making me love the game even more. And he's also, by the way, enrolled me in advanced mixed doubles, which I do not belong in. But I love the game and, I think it's a long time coming and it's the efforts of people who've believed in the game like Arvind ji. And here's to pickleball growing from strength to strength. And I know you have a flavor over here, Suresh, that says achari, but there's got to be a flavor that says pickle somewhere in it. That's coming up next. And for him, it's not a calculated risk like you said. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer because this is such an amazing game. Anybody can play it. And like bingo snacks, it's for any age. It's for any it cuts across. So very happy to be here and very happy to support the sport and very happy to play it.
First of all, cinema जाते हैं, popcorn खाते हैं. It's gonna be like pickleball खेलते हैं, bingo खाते.
So you got your slogan now, okay?
Yeah.
Then please note it down.
That's a great move and I'm really glad that this collaboration happened. Pickleball is such a cute, easy game. मैं जब इसके बारे में सोच रही थी, it was like it's between table tennis and badminton and this is something that anybody can play. It's such an easy sport. I've heard a lot about this, more than 500 million plus players globally and 50,000 in India. It's crazy. And growing. It's really cool. So all the best to the entire team and I'm really looking forward to play this game and enjoy this game.